I thought it will be a sunny day, but guess what? You know when a place looks unreal? We reached our hotel and I slept for 1.5 hour क्योंकि भाई बहुत थक गए थे. And when I woke up I saw that it was raining. ठीक है, 4 बजे थे, हम सब तैयार होके निकल गए बीच पे. That time it was not raining. ठीक है, हम जैसे ही बीच पे गए 2 मिनट हुए नहीं कि बारिश होने लग गई थी. You might see that I'm not that happy in the clip, लेकिन मुझे अंदर से खुशी भी हो रही थी और दुखी भी थी. मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि बारिश हो यार. इतना पैसा खर्चा करके दूर आया तो मैं बारिश देखने तो नहीं आई हूँ भाई. Finally, we just waited there for like 10-15 minutes and then बारिश बंद हो गई. हम लोग फिर से बीच पे चले गए because obviously beach was the motive. अगर धूप होती ना तो और सुंदर दिखता, but ठीक है अभी मानसून में क्या. ऑल्सो यहाँ पे तुम्हें हर 30 सेकंड में एक सी प्लेन उड़ता हुआ दिखेगा. तो मेरा जो प्लेन का चांद था उड़ता देखना वो ख़त्म हो चुका है अभी. While it was raining, we stopped at this cafe which is right at the turn. मतलब वहाँ पे there are a lot of cafes by the beach, लेकिन we were at this one and the hospitality there was so good. I mean the people there offered us a free bottle. Basically वहाँ पे bottle बहुत महंगी बिकती है. एक bottle तुमको 50 और 70 रुपए की मिलती है, तो हमको वो उन्होंने फ्री में ऑफर किया. So that was a very sweet gesture of them. Even they gave us a small bottle of juice to my brother. So that was really sweet. The people are so good here that they gave us free water bottle. Otherwise, the water here is always chargeable. They don't like serve normal water. So like there's a bottle. It's almost 40 to 50 rupees in INR. That is $0.5 here, but they gave us for with no charge. They're so sweet.
तुझे मुझसे मिलाया है, तुझ पे मर के ही तो मुझे जीना आया है. ओ तेरे संग यारा कुछ रंग बहारा, तू रात दीवानी मैं जर्द सितारा. ओ तेरे संग यारा कुछ रंग बहारा, इशारा।
लाया है बहार अपनों का प्यार, क्या कहना।
मिले हम छलक उठा खुशी का।
अरे यार गिरी ना मैं ही तो है। So today was that kind of chill day which you don't choose. It just naturally happens to you because vacation day 1. So honestly it was giving आधा दिन because हम land ही late हुए, आधा दिन हो चुका था, and then it's decided to start raining. So by the time we finally touched the beach, already dark हो चुका था, which is perfect if you enjoy seeing absolutely nothing.
I love it.
Guys, I think I'm no more a mountain girly, like ocean girly more than mountain girly now. I don't know why haven't I discovered it yet. Like I wasn't going to any beaches then and जब मैं पुणे गई I visited Arabi beach and Divyagar beach. मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा even though I did not jump in the ocean, but it just gave me some feeling, some sort of feeling which I never knew existed in me. I always thought that I will love mountains more than ocean. Like भाई समुद्र में क्या ही रखा है, मतलब पानी but then no. उसके बाद से I was so addicted to swimming. I used to be loving to stay in water, and now I'm in my favorite destination. I mean, it was always my dream destination. This and Switzerland for mountains, Maldives for the beaches, and I guess this will be my favorite amongst every beach spot I will visit. I mean, I just hope. मुझे बाली भी जाना है, मुझे Seychelles भी जाना है, and there are more pretty beaches than this. We will visit there super soon. But I love it. Tomorrow morning I will come here again at around 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. because I want to swim and there's a lot of wind.
Baby, I like your stuff.